welcome to this video. And to this video I'll be showing you how to convert BTC to USDT on Binance. Okay, so guys, before I proceed on this video, appreciate if you like this video, subscribe to this channel, drop a comment, share this video, and also contact me for some collaboration for the description of this video. Okay, so guys, let's proceed. So now you need to head over to your Binance app. So now head over to your Binance. Let me just close this app and reopen it. Now open your Binance app. So now tap on the top left right hand, this box icon at the top left right hand of your screen. So now tap on it. So now tap on this convert button. So right now, as you can see now, you need to select BTC, search for BTC, BTC, then select USDT. So you are converting from BTC to USDT. Make sure that BTC is at the top, the USDT is at the bottom. Okay, so now input the amount of BTC you want to convert. Let me want to convert 0.005 BTC, and they will show you the amount. Tap on preview conversion. Okay, after previewing conversion, now tap on convert. Okay, why this is not converting is that I don't have sufficient amount of BTC. Okay, so that's how you do it, how to convert BTC to USDT on Binance. Okay, so guys, before I conclude, I appreciate if you like this video, subscribe to this channel, drop a comment, share this video, and also contact me for us and collaboration by the description of this video. Okay, so guys, that's for this video. Thanks for watching. Have a lovely day, stay safe, and God bless you. Peace.